In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum dear students, Tahir here with first lecture of class 10th. And the name of this lesson is The Voice of God. It is basically a poem. So the poet of this poem is Lewis I. Newman. So what is the meaning of I here? Lewis I means Israel. Lewis Israel Newman. So here is some detail of Lewis I. Newman. It is a biography. What is biography? Biography means the life story of a person. When we deal with another's life story, as like now I am telling here Lewis I. Newman. I am telling the biography of Lewis I. Newman. So he was born in 1893 in Providence, Rhode Island, and died in 1972. He did his BA from Brown University in 1938 and PhD from Columbia University 1942. So he is the author of many religious books, and the poem Voice of God is the reflection of his religious bent of mind. It is a small biography of Lewis I. Newman. So difficult words are here which are used in this poem. Sought, talash karna. Sought is the second form of seek. Seek is a verb and it is first form, and sought is second form of verb. Sought means talash karna, voice means आवाज, hear means सुनना, climb means चढ़ना, topmost बुलंद तरीन, and steeple means मीनार, declared means वाजे किया, dwell means रहना या बसना. Now the poem is on page number 1. I sought to hear the voice of God. In the first line of the poem, the poet wants to say that he wants to hear the voice of God. Means he is in search of the voice of God. He wants to listen the voice of God. For that purpose, he climbed the topmost steeple. Topmost steeple, it is the tallest part of a religious building, like in our mosque and in the church there is a tower, and it is the topmost or steeple of a religious building. So what did the poet do? He climbed on the topmost steeple of the church. For what purpose? Because he wants to listen the voice of God. But God declared, go down again, I dwell among the people. When he climbed the topmost steeple, God declared that he dwells among the people. So what is the meaning of I dwell among the people? The meaning of this sentence is that it means that God is present everywhere. We can seek his pleasure by serving the common people. If we want to get the love of or to win the love of God, we serve the common people, because service of man is service of God. So it is the poem, and I explained these lines, the voice of God. So what is the central idea of this poem? Central idea of this poem that God loves all his creatures. So the more God loves all his creatures, but he loves most the human beings or man. Man is the most beloved creation. Therefore, we should not separate ourselves from people. In simple words, we can say that if we want to please or to get the pleasure of Allah Almighty, we have to serve the suffering human beings. We have to help the needy people. So that's all today. If you have any query, you can ask on school's WhatsApp number. We will meet again with next lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.